Hi guys, welcome to our new video in the JavaScript. So today we will be talking about the strict mode in JavaScript. So let's create a new file. Let's call it strict mode in JS. So we have created a new JavaScript file, and here I will show you some practical implementation of strict mode. So basically, in JavaScript, let's say by default when we are running a code which has some errors, so JavaScript generally doesn't show us that error. Once we enable a strict mode, JavaScript starts showing us that error. So in other words, if I say strict mode is a way to opt into a restricted variant of JavaScript that disallows some of the more problematic or error prone features of the language. It helps to catch common coding mistakes and enforce cleaner coding practice. We can enable strict mode for an entire script or a specific function. So I'll show you an example how to do it. So before showing an example, uh, so let's say I type a mistyped var and I pass a value of 10 to it. Okay, so mistyped typed var is there, mistyper it is. So I'll just change the value. So I'll make the so this is a mistyped var and it has a value assigned to it. Let me run this JavaScript file and see what the result is. So I'll clear our console and in this, after clearing the console, I will say, let's say add the I will run this file node strict mode in JS. So you can see our file is running, but it is not showing any output. But uh, Java syntax wise, mistyped var is not defined. So it is not showing us the error of undefined in mistyped var. So what we can do, let's enable the strict mode and then let's run this file. So how we will enable the strict mode, we'll give a semicolon and then we'll say use strict and we'll enable this strict mode. We will save it and then we will run this file again. So once we have run this file, you can see our terminal has given some reference error. It is saying mistyped var is not defined, which is the error of this particular uh, bit of code, which is not in the correct format. So this is the purpose of strict mode. It whenever you want to see that which line of code is throwing the error and by what snippet of code the error is coming, so we can use strict mode in enabling that. Let's check another. Let's check another uh, example. So I'll comment out this line of mistype, and this time I will be using a function. So I'll declare a function. I'll call it strict function. Okay. Now strict function. I'll do a console log inside this function, and in the console log I will be passing this. Okay. And then I will be calling this function. So this is a general error code for the function. I will be calling this function. So let's see what happens. Let's run our file and check the error because we have pre-enabled strict mode in here. So first, let me remove the strict mode and try it. So I will. So you see, we see that there is some. thing coming, but let's first enable strict mode and check the error. So we have enabled strict mode again. We will check the error. In here. So you can see that the function undefined error we are getting. Firstly, we are able to see the object global in console.log.this, but when we async function fetch we are seeing, but when we enable strict mode and check, the output is undefined. So this, in this function it is undefined. So this in a function will not default to global object if function is called without a context. So that was the example in strict mode, guys. If you do like this content, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Do share this video with your friends and stay tuned for more such contents. Thanks for watching, and that's it for today.